Hello everybody, this is Husky 10. This is my second devlog for this untitled puzzle game. I don't know how much I should be doing. I made a few changes. Instead of spawning in the corner, instead of spawning at the corner where the mouse is, I centered the object on the mouse. There are only 3 levels as of now, and I have yet to design enemies or figure out what this game is going to be themed. I don't know much about what I'm going to theme it. I was thinking of going with a retro theme. No, not a retro theme. I was thinking of going with a technology theme where, see how these are flashing? Well, I was thinking go with something like when you're out of moves, make the screen glitch out. I don't know how that idea would work. I also have yet to create a soundtrack. So let's make another level. I'm gonna call it level 4. Okay. Insert the enemies. The border and the player. A lot of this game was made with copy and paste. I'm just copying the levels. You're probably like, why don't I just duplicate the level? Well, the thing is, I need separate scene variables per level. At least that's the way I'm doing it. Player. And I need the ball. What I'm practically doing is wrapping the border around the scene. The player's not going to see this border. There's practically no way to get out of bounds in this game. Good. Okay. If anyone has better ways of doing this, Forgive me if I'm not saying a lot. I'm not good at speaking publicly, but I work best when I'm silent. So that's why a lot of my earlier videos were just me building, not saying anything. I literally half the time I'm at loss for words. So instead of inserting our ball, we're going to copy and paste it into our game field. I need the goal. Again, I'm copying and pasting so I have the right dimensions and it's consistent. Copy and paste will be your best friend. I have this idea for the level. You gotta bounce it in there at the right angle. There we go. Now let's add a danger zone. Move this down a little bit. Okay. The player doesn't get added into the game. So let's get to work. I'm gonna open level 3 and I'm gonna copy the events from there. I'm gonna create a new variable, a new scene variable. Count 4. And I'm gonna set it to 0. Hit apply. I know I said I want to show you how to do this, but some people might be a little curious of what goes on in the background. So what we're basically doing is saying wherever you click on the screen, it will create that player. It will play sound and it will change the variable. And you get this. You get this. Now to get the colors to change, what I did was I took the player, I imported a bunch of different colored skins, and I set it to loop so it will play automatically. So if I go like, yeah, that's how I did it. For this level, I'm gonna say that the player has how many tries? 7? Let's put it to 7. It will reset once this command is played. And it will go to scene 3 restart. I am kind of meticulous. what I'm adding now is practically resetting the variable at the beginning of the screen and modifying the text. So something's not right, so I need to change some variables. Okay, for some reason it's not working. So I need to also add the reset button, so I'm gonna put it here. Okay, something's wrong. For some reason it's not changing stuff. Okay, yeah, something's wrong. I'm gonna copy this and add it. Okay, for some reason it's not working, so I'm gonna have to go change the variable to count 4. Alright, I'm gonna have to do that. Okay, for some reason it's not changing. Why is it not? Alright, did I misspell something? Alright, I'm just gonna delete. Oh! I just figured out what the problem was. I did not change some of the variable, so I'm gonna have to do this all over again. Now just do adding. Again, like I said, I work better in silence, but sometimes I don't. Now as far as describing what I'm doing is, now I gotta make sure all these are correct. Alright, that looks really good. Now let's test it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna have it go to set level 4 restart. Because the one thing I haven't figured out about variables is I think you can use them to change levels, like the last level loaded. But I'm not going to for certain reasons. I'm gonna group this player and what did I name it? Player and border player and variable. Okay, now I'm gonna add a new group. Okay, what did I need? Okay, ball. This one's the ball group. Alright, I'm gonna change the force angle to -200. And there we go, we have a playable level. But I think the angle is a little off, so I'm gonna put it back to -3. Now it's time to add the enemy. Now, when the ball hits the enemy, it resets the entire screen, so that means everything resets. The variable, the tries, everything. Because the person died and lost. I could just make it change scene to level to back to retry, but it would be the same exact thing. So let's test this level. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna add one more thing. A new condition when the ball is in collision with the goal. I'm going to change the scene to level 4. This is for level 3. So if I play level 3, there we go. We have level 4. I should probably edit this and give the person less. Okay, there we go. One thing I do want to change. Change the C order to 0. Alright. I should probably do that to all of them. No files. I'm gonna save it. I want to make a little note. I am going to be making how to make a shooting game, where the enemies will fall down from the screen, and you would have to shoot them. It's gonna be a pretty basic game. There's some other stuff I'm gonna add to it, but the thing is, I was experimenting, trying to come up with it on my own. I wasn't trying to follow a tutorial or anything, and I thought I had it, but it wouldn't work. So I gave in and watched a tutorial on how to do it, just to find out I was one code away. I was one condition away from actually making it a real, honest to goodness thing. I was one condition away from making it on my own. Now, the way I was doing it, it kind of mirrored what this guy did, but I don't know. I'm going to let you guys decide. I'm going to make this game soon. I'm going to show you how to make it soon. I'm going to call it Bat Attack Remastered. Bat Attack, if you don't know, is one of my first games from Husky 10. It's one of my first games. Right here. It was pretty basic, just a square shooting at bats. There was no menu or anything. I will be remaking this in one of my future tutorials, so be looking for that. Now I'm just gonna play through and go through any bugs. Damn it. Oh, sorry, darn it. Now another thing someone suggested I add is portal. Is a portal that will teleport the ball from one spot to another. Right now I'm just looking for bugs. Okay, this one's kind of hard. There we go, it can be done. I think I'm gonna edit level 4 a little bit and add this. Just an extended wall.
Oh, I found that dial.
And here's the game.
Huh?
I swear if I see Stacy in freaking
Becca, I'm gonna do
So yeah, all these levels are playable. And they're pretty done. Sorry about that, my brother walked in on me. We just got off of work. I'm not going to be uploading videos as often as I should. I'm going to be spending a lot of time in Wisconsin because of a business trip through work. So that's all I got. This is the game so far as it stands. Thank you. I will be taking my computer with me so I can work on stuff while I'm there. Thank you for watching. This has been Husky 10.